EU young officers to embark with Social Security and the long-term 22 Roro and the 55 ROPAC ships. If you are a young officer, European, and you're thinking, where is my career? How can I look piano piano va lontano, as they say, this beautiful say in Italian, which I followed. I want to be a business owner very long term. Perhaps this year I earn more than the previous 40, and the next one the previous 41. But if you are a young officer, you're thinking about, how about me being a chief engineer, being a master of a 67,000-ton Italian flag ship? Is that nice career path? Is that piano piano va lontano in Italian? You don't need English, you need Italian language. So if your career path is long, because you also have a partner, you want to have kids, you want social security, stability, after 2 years you are continuous employed by the ship owner. After 2 years you will be probably looked at promotions to second officer or third engineer. Then perhaps after 4 years you will be looked up to promotion for a chief officer, perhaps junior chief officer, or watch, and any kind of promotions. If you think that way, the way I think, long piano piano va lontano, then I think it's the best strategy for your family, which is the reason why we work every day non-stop, because this is a holiday for us. And this company has 22 Roros and 55 ROPAXes, 77 state-of-the-art, the most modern and south of Spain trade, Mediterranean to Italy trade. So please take this opportunity. If you are one of those that think long, like me, and time goes very fast, but that year 41 or year 26, 27, you want to be the master, or year 10, or you want to be a chief engineer, and you want to be a chief engineer or a captain of the biggest ships, Roro ships in this planet, because those jobs will stay. No robots will take those jobs for the moment, especially the top officers. If you think this long term, apply here, apply today, confirm you have learned the basic Italian manual that we have, confirm that you're going to apply for the endorsement of the Italian flag, and confirm you're going to apply for the Codice Fiscalis social security number, and think about it in the long term. Talk to your friends, to your academy, because perhaps you and many others can take the same path, and then we can defend the Italian flag, European flag, with social security for your next 25 years employment. Thanks to you. Thank you. Bye.